Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody saw this pretty neat teach piece on Facebook, and they asked how you could do it. I've already done it. I think I can do it a little bit better this time. So I've typed out all the letters that we need. I'm going to grab the shape tool, and I'm going to select the T, the H, the P, and the E, and I'm going to go up here. I'm going to make it 12 points. So that made them littler. Now I need to go to object and break that apart. Now the T needs to go to the top of the E, and pretty much so we got it selected. I'm holding down the shift key to select both of them and hit T. The H needs to go to the top, so I'm going to get the H, hold down the shift, and hit T. Then I can bring this P, and if I hold down the control button, it'll stay on the same line, but it's a little bit too little or too big, so I'm going to put it down a little bit. We're going to change that in a second. Same thing on here. I'm going to bring it in, and that one actually worked a little better. I moved it a little bit at the end, so I'm holding down the control button. There we go. Now, I would just suggest maybe moving the P over a little bit more, and let's set our nudge factor on pretty something little. Kind of get that P a little bit more centered underneath there. We're going to bring in an indexing line and put it at the bottom, and you can see we're below it. We're going to bring an indexing line, and the E is a little bit little, but we're going to go right in there. We're going to group these together, Control G, and we're going to just minutely move them up. It's still a little bit long, so we can take it and get the 2-point arrow and just move it up a little bit. I think the H and the E are pretty good. I'm going to move that over a little bit. I don't think I need to do anything else. This is a group, so I'm going to ungroup it. Probably wouldn't really matter, but then when I grab the whole thing, I want to group it together. And then grab your envelope tool, pick single arc, grab that node right there and hold down the shift key, and then both nodes will come together. And I think it came out pretty good. They used a little bit different font, but if you look side by side, it's a pretty good reenactment. You know, they've got a little bit different A, a little bit different C, and that would be your preference on what font you wanted to use. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.